Eyewitness News published a report about Mr. Fikile's holiday, and saying in the report, they said that Sedgars paid for his holiday. The strangest things happen. On that same day that Eyewitness News made the report, Mr. Mbalula started paying back. He paid back Sedgars through the company that they used on the same day. So that's in October, after the holiday that ended in January and after the money received in February. So he decided to pay that back. On that same day, AfriForum, through Monique Tauter, referred the matter to the Public Protector. So the Public Protector dealt with the matter, and at the hearing at the Public Protector, on behalf of Mr. Mbalula, through his lawyers, they indicated that the money received was a loan. It was a loan, and that he paid it back. On 19 December 2019, the Public Protector made a finding. The Public Protector made a finding, and she referred the matter back to the NPA to investigate money laundering. Now, obviously, that never happened. The NPA took absolutely no further steps, and that caused the same Monique Tauter to register a case docket in August 2019. Now, a timeline in this matter is really important. So in 2019, case docket is opened. That case docket was then nolly prosecuted on the 3rd of August 2023. So, and the letter we received, Mr. Mzinyathi of the NPA indicated that there's no evidence supporting allegations of corruption because there was no quid pro quo, and that this was merely a loan and that the loan was paid back. So those were the reasons given for the failure to prosecute. We dealt with those reasons. We dealt with those reasons in a comprehensive representation to the National Prosecuting Authority on the 2nd of October 2025.